Good day from Chem Help ASAP. Let's see how to make primary amines. Remember that primary amines have just one R group on the amine nitrogen. Primary amines are normally made through SN2 reactions, so the starter material is very often an alkyl halide. In the top reaction, we react a primary halide with ammonia, NH3. Amines are pretty good nucleophiles, good enough to do an SN2 on a primary halide. The reaction initially gives an ammonium ion, the nitrogen is normally deprotonated by another molecule of ammonia. These reactions generally have a large excess of ammonia. Note that ammonia is a bit basic, so this process is limited to primary halides. Secondary halides might do an elimination. Ammonia is not the only nitrogen nucleophile. Azide anion is a fantastic SN2 nucleophile. It can do an SN2 on primary and secondary halides. Of course, this makes the azide, as our middle product. We can convert the azide to an amine through a reduction, often with hydrogen and palladium on carbon. This azide method is great for making amines. Azides do have some safety concerns, but the chemistry is fast and high yielding. Across the top of the screen is our azide reaction from the previous slide. This works great, but there is another nucleophile that incorporates a nitrogen into a molecule. That nucleophile is cyanide, and its reaction is on the bottom of the screen. Like azide, cyanide can do an SN2 reaction on primary and secondary halides. The product of the SN2 is a nitrile, not an amine. We can reduce the nitrile to an amine with a strong reducing agent, like lithium aluminum hydride. The cyanide chemistry is not the same as azide. Cyanide adds an additional carbon into the product, which is sometimes actually very handy. All these methods form primary amines with just one R group on the amine nitrogen.